Hi guys, in today's video I will be creating this very simple and easy pink sultry makeup look for this Valentine's Day. So if you want to know how I have created this look, please keep on watching this video. So I will be using the Lakme's Lumi cream as a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is really good. It provides a subtle glow to my face and it is hydrating also. Then I will be using this Lakme 925 foundation. It's in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. By the way, all the products I will be linking down in the description box below. So if you want, you can go ahead and check it out. By the way, this foundation is really very good. It matches my skin tone perfectly. It's very hydrating because I have a very dry skin, And yeah, it is not cakey and it feels skin, and I really quite like it. It has a medium coverage and I am not that much of a makeup lover, so yeah, I like this foundation a lot. And then I will be using this Swiss Beauty concealer. So I don't use a lot of concealer, guys. I will be using little bit of concealer under my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth areas, little bit on my chin and little bit on my forehead. And then I will be using a very small beauty blender to blend everything well. I believe these small beauty blenders are very easy to work when you are doing anything around your eye areas, and with this small beauty blender only you can blend everything whatever you are having on your face. Then I will be using this Nika's compact under my eyes, little bit on my chin, a little bit on my forehead, that's it. And then I will be using this Dazzler's contour stick. Now very recently I have bought this product, guys. It is very affordable, that's the reason I bought it. And yeah, you can blend this product easily. By the way, you can see where I have put this contour. I have a little bit double chin, that's the reason I put this contour under the neck. It hides my double chin nicely. And yeah, I'm just contouring my nose a little bit and then I'm blending everything nicely. So if you want to try this product, you can definitely go ahead and try it. It is not that bad, it blends easily, it is affordable. Yeah, I kind of like this too. Recently I have bought this SFR eyeshadow palette and I will be using these 3 shades from the palette. Now let me tell you guys, this palette looks super cute and I'm using the pink shade from this palette on my crease, as you can see, and it is very affordable, by the way. And I'm blending this eyeshadow on my eyelids very nicely, and then I'm taking the deep pink color and spreading it all over my eyelids. Last, I'm taking the shimmer shade. As you can see, I'm just putting the shimmer on middle of my eyes and on the outer V basically, and then I'm just blending it with my not index finger, with my finger. Now I'm taking little bit of micellar water in the earbud and I am just trying to remove the excess eyeshadows which I have on top of my eyelids, because I really don't like it. And I'm doing the same thing on my other eyes, as you can see. Now I will be using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is very affordable and it is very good. So what first I do is I brush my eyebrows down and then I fill in the gaps fill in the blanks, and then I just draw my eyebrows something like this. It really works for me, guys. This is in the shade medium brown. There is deep brown also, if you want you can buy it. I just want to clean up the area around my eyebrows. That's the reason I will be using little bit of concealer, as you can see. And this is the way I like to use the concealer, right in the beginning of my eyebrow and right at the end of my eyebrow. And then I am blending everything very carefully and nicely with this small beauty blender. You can also use a small brush to blend it, and it gives you a very cleaner look, as you can see. Now I will be using this Faces Canada Kajal. I am creating a small little wing, as you can see. I know this is not a wing eyeliner, but I am just trying to make you understand. And now with the help of this earbud, I am just trying to smudge it out. I like my liners to be little bit smudgy, It gives a very nice effect, and yeah, I kind of like this effect. Now I will be using this Lakme's eyeliner. Now I am not going to create any wing. If you wish, you can create it. I like my liner to be very normal, if you want to say that I don't know how to create a wing liner, you can tell that also. I find it very hard and I don't like it that much. It depends, and Now I will be taking a little bit of pink eyeliner. I'm just putting it under my eyes, and I like this Miss Claire blusher, guys. It has 4 shades and I'm going to use these two. To apply the blusher, what I do, I smile. I guess I'm smiling over here, and from the apple of my cheeks I take the blusher a little bit up, as you can see, and it gives me a very nice sharp look. And then I'm taking little bit of concealer on my nose. If you remember, I started the contouring but I didn't finish it, so I'm just taking this highlighter. This is the Maybelline's highlighter. I will be using this highlighter on all the high points of my faces. Don't ever forget your nose area. Put lots of highlighter over there and you will be looking like a glowing goddess, And then I will be using this Wet n Wild's bronzer. I forgot. Yes, it is Wet n Wild's bronzer, and I really like this bronzer a lot. I forgot the name of the shade, guys, but you will be getting everything in the description box below. It gives me a very warm look, you can say. And then I will be using again a Wet n Wild product. This is the lip liner Chestnut. Everybody was talking about it on YouTube, so I bought it, but I felt that it is quite drying. But anyways, I have used it in this video, and then I will be using this Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha on my lips. I really love this lipstick, guys. It is something which I really like, which I really love. And then I'm topping it off with this NYX lipstick. It's in the shade Lipli 12. I really like this nude pink color. And for my lashes, I'm using this Maybelline mascara. Normally people finishes their makeup look by using lipstick, but I am finishing this lipstick by using a mascara. And this is my finished look, and this is something you can practically wear and go out, guys. This is not only for cameras. You can definitely try out this look, and I believe you are going to like it. I hope you are going to like it. And if you have liked this haphazard tutorial of mine, please do subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Until then, tada, take care, bye bye.